What's up guys, how you doing today? And I hope you had a great Christmas time. Another 2 days and Santa Claus is coming, I guess. Today will be everything about the Canon EOS R, which I highly recommend for photography and video. M.A. Jerry asked me 3 weeks back in the comments, would you mind doing a video about how you set your setting in the EOS R? Of course, let's go. So I have to switch now the camera. I'm recording now with the Canon M50. I have a small rig here on my Canon EOS R with the Atomos Ninja 5 monitor, and this, as far as you know, a monitor is also possible to record in 10-bit, so in ProRes 4.22. Let us start first with photography. I got the Canon EOS R almost at the time when the camera was released, and I went to a photo shooting first time with the EOS R, but it was a sport act where I wanted to shoot 8 pictures per second. So and the first time I was really dumb because I'm not able to shoot 8 pictures per second. So the first thing you have to do, you go into the menu, and you know I love the menu of Canon, and you go to dual pixel RAW to disable, because that is, nobody told me before, with dual pixel RAW you have to disable, otherwise you cannot shoot 8 pictures per second. Then you go into the other menu and make high speed continuous, and that's all. So then you can start and bang bang bang. Almost, it depends on the memory card, 70 to 80 pictures, so easy. So my second recommendation is, this is a 70D, but you know, when you have the Canon EOS R, you look to the finder and the finder will show you the picture, or you doesn't look to the finder and you have the picture in the display. But sometimes I don't want, for example, when I'm filming like this, so sometimes, you know, when I'm filming like this, because of the sensor here in the EOS R is closing now the display, so I can't see the picture. And simple and easy it is. You go to the menu on the, this is the first, the red one. By the way, you know, when you push info, you can switch directly to the menus. So you go to yellow, to 1, 2, 3, 4. Display settings. And display control is automatic, then it will switch automatically. But if you do it manual, you don't have this issue anymore. With the drive mode, and I highly recommend when you make photography like landscape, city, whatever, when you're on a tripod, use the self-timer. The self-timer on 2 seconds will definitely make every image sharper. So again, you go to the menu. We have a high speed now that we don't need. You go to 2 seconds, and that's so easy. You make a picture, 2 seconds, and it's sharp. So when it comes to video, I'm using the Canon EOS R mostly in 8-bit or 10-bit to make videos. 10-bit with the Atomos Ninja 5. My ISO setting, many people ask me how much ISO you use. I can tell you the best result is with ISO 250 to 400. Less or more will be okay, but try it out. ISO 250 or 400 makes the best result for image quality. And when I'm going back now to the menu, I like to recording in 1080p with 24 frames per second. Also in the Canon EOS R you have 24 frames per second in 4K, but I believe 1080 is enough. Even you can make it in YouTube on the timeline in Final Cut Pro in 4K. Don't use 24 frames per second IPB. You almost have to use all I, that's the highest quality. And I saw also a lot of comments, they found it difficult to shoot in 120 frames per second, and that's definitely so easy. You just go in high frame rate, enable, and automatically you have 120 frames per second. Not in full HD, only in 720, but as you saw in the beginning, quite good image quality. And don't forget to make your shutter speed in 250. So finally, 2 days we have Christmas. I wish you a very, very Merry Christmas. Hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget the subscribe button or ring the bell, and see you in my next video. Peace.